Welcome. If you want to get the emoji keyboard on your Motorola Moto Z3 Play, for the first you enter the Google Play Store. Right here, tap on the search and click on the, input the iPhone keyboard phrase. Select the iPhone keyboard and download this application with the orange-white image. Tap on the install. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, and right now just open this up. Click on the allow 3 times. Tap on the skip, and the start. And right now we have to turn off this ad. And right now tap on the iPhone 11 keyboard to enable and choose this keyboard. Go back and click on the switch and switch to iPhone 11 keyboard. And right now when we are going to use our keyboard, for example to the messages, you will see that our keyboard has changed, and there the emoji from the iPhone, and also we can adjust the themes. That's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.